Hello, my name is Maria Fernandez and welcome to my channel. I am unboxing the Thinx underwear. So I first want to give a shout out to my friend Erica Derrickson. So we had a meeting where we were talking and we were talking about period. And I was suggesting to her that whenever she has her menstrual cramps that she should take motherwort tincture for cramping, and as she'll take a motherwort tincture, she'll notice that she won't need to take it because motherwort helps with the cramping, with the bleeding. And so she at that point was like, what do you do for what do you use when you have your your menstrual monthly dot period? And so I said, well, I use organic cotton pads. I don't use tampons, and I don't like the menstrual cup. I know it's made out of silicone, and some people swear by it, and I just don't feel comfortable inserting, even if it's silicone, something inside of me. So I just don't like that. And I know I waste about like 15 disposable period pads in one cycle. So what got me thinking when she like questioned me like that was like, man, I am making such a contribution to the landfill. Not as evil because it's organic, but there's still some waste being created there, the production and buying these pads, right? So she's like, oh, I was like, what do you use? And she said, I use Thinx. My sister, her sister is a midwife, a doula. She introduced her to these period underwears that are leak and period proof. And so I was like, oh my God, really? And she's like, oh my God, it's the best thing, the best self-care. You will never use anything else besides these underwears. So, I definitely want to reduce my plastic footprint here on Earth. And I also know that this is going to be good for me and the planet. And, like, I wonder what you do for your period. Like, I know, one thing that you could do when you have these underwears, if you want to get witchy, is make like art with the blood, or like rinse it, and that water from the blood you could give it back to the earth, which is like really wonderful. Like back in the days, the Egyptians, that's what they used to do. They would do like they would use blood for spell and sorcery, right? So I mean, they were ahead of our times. I don't like tampons. Especially, I don't like anything that's made out of synthetic chemicals, It's not good for our bodies. So I encourage you to look for different methods, okay? Because tampons are known to cause pelvic inflammatory disease. And I mean, you're sticking something up. A tampon was invented by a man, not by a woman. So what other information? An average woman uses about 20 pads and tampons per cycle. So I have ordered my underwear, so I'm really excited. I have yet to get my period, and so we'll see what, but this is lovely. So I'm like really excited because they have like really cute designs, and I'm just looking forward to, oh yeah, it feels thick in the middle. I know it has like absorbent and like wick, but it looks like a regular underwear. This is like a big one. I got me a large one. I didn't know. Yeah, it's like, these are heavy duty undies. But I also got me like a cotton one, and some like, this one is, they have organic cotton, which is better to get organic cotton because when organic cotton is made without pesticides. Look at this cutie. Whoa, it's showing. I guess I filmed this, right? Woo. So they have some cute underwears. I got me like 6 of them. And so this says, we are on a mission to empower everybody through innovative solutions and social change. That's their mission. Period-proof underwear designed to absorb your flow. This is the signage. from shethinx.com. So there's even cool colors for teens. They're absorbent, pee proof. Pee proof? You know how sometimes after you give birth, sometimes you're like laughing and pee comes out? So pee proof is nice. For light to moderate leaks. That's a thing. That's a thing. Look at this. I got like a gray one, like a brief cotton. Yeah, organic cotton. So, and they gave me this laundry bag to take care of my undies for free for ordering these, which is so cool. Anyways, I hope that when you bleed, you're not ashamed of bleeding, okay? Gain your power. Be mindful. There's such a thing as conscious menstruation. There's a woman named Nikki Stearns, and she's like queen goddess of conscious menstruation. Everything you need to know and want to know about menstruation, how it's related to cycles and the seasons, you know, such as like the maiden, mother, wild woman, and crone, wise woman, and the seasons of summer, fall, winter, spring are related to how we bleed, and the new moon and the full moon and the waning and all of that is so powerful, and we need to take our power back. So much love. Shethinx. For every generation ready to say goodbye to stigmas around periods and bladder leaks. It's about time. Right? Well, yeah. So I guess my next review is when I actually have my period, to see how it goes. Check them out. Give it a try. I'll let you know how it goes. I'm really excited. Thank you.